Hey everyone, Bronte here. Welcome. I am so excited about today's video. I'm going to be doing a clean with me as well as organizing and setting up my brand new walk-in pantry that my husband and my father-in-law just built for me. I am so excited about it. Today is going to be 2 days worth of cleaning to give you all of that cleaning motivation that you might be needing. So let's just jump right into the video and get it started.
'Cause we got all the time in the world, for better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on love.
Today we are going to start off in the bedroom. I'm just going to make my bed because that is something that I like to do that helps me get motivated to tackle any chores that I need to do during the day. It makes me feel like I have a lot accomplished if my bed is made. So we're going to start off by doing that. And like I said, I'm going to be organizing and setting up my walk-in pantry that was just built underneath my stairs. It was kind of wasted space, so my husband and my father-in-law built me my dream walk-in pantry that I had been eyeballing on Pinterest for so long, and I'm so excited to set it all up. And I'm also going to be cleaning the house. I'm going to span my cleaning over 2 days because I wasn't able to get everything done the first day because I got carried away working in the pantry. Moving right along to the kitchen, I'm going to tackle these dishes, load up the dishwasher, and wash any dishes that need to be washed by hand. Does anybody else really just dread washing dishes? I feel like this is one of my least favorite household chores that I have to do. My hands get so dry. I guess I could just wear gloves and that would solve that problem, but I just really don't like washing dishes or drying them. I need a machine that not only washes my dishes like the dishwasher, but will put them away for me too. Wouldn't that be amazing?
The ocean, baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
I'm going to be using the Clorox cleaner and bleach spray in my sink to get it nice and clean and disinfected. I like to do this quite often and get all of those germs gone, get any juices from cooking with meat gone as well, and just give it a really nice deep cleaning.
Oh damn, I've been feeling something.
I've also been loving the Thieves cleaner from Young Living to use to clean all the surfaces in my kitchen. It smells really great and it works really well too. I have never been like a huge oily person. I obviously use bleach in my kitchen, but this has been such a nice natural cleaner and I feel like it actually does clean. So I've been loving this. Does anybody else use the Thieves cleaner from Young Living? I feel like it's gotten super popular lately, or maybe it's just because I've been using it lately that I've noticed people using it more. But either way, I am just loving it. Check it out if you haven't yet. I do not sell Young Living. I'm not trying to sell it to you. I just really love it. And I'm super excited to share that this is my last cleaning video with our counters looking like this and the walls in my kitchen looking like this. The counters have since been redone. We epoxied the counters to look like marble. My husband and I did it. It was quite the project, but it was a really cool experience and I'm loving how they turned out. I will have a whole video dedicated to how we did it. And then I have also gone ahead and painted the walls in the kitchen so they are a lot prettier too, and everything's just starting to come together and become a dream kitchen, and I am so excited about it because I have waited so long to be able to do stuff like this. I've waited so long to have a house of our own to be able to do stuff too, so I'm just really excited about it and really excited to share it with you guys. I'm going to be cleaning the microwave, and I like to put apple cider vinegar or white distilled vinegar in a cup with warm water in the microwave for about 1 minute, let it get hot and steamy in there, and it just helps everything come off the walls of the microwave so much easier. And the vinegar smell does dissipate. Don't worry, it's not gonna make your house stink forever, I promise.
Say I'm doing alright, I'm fine, but I'm scattered with just friends. Oh, yeah, I'm scattered with just friends. Just friends. So I stay awake, I don't wanna be dreaming, 'cause my heart aches when I wake up, it's deceiving. Why, oh why can't it be you and I? Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm fine. Hey, I say I'm doing alright, I'm doing just fine, but I'm scattered, and I cry.
So eventually I'm going to be painting our cabinets in our kitchen. I just haven't gotten the courage to take on that project yet, or really the time to do it. But I want to know what you guys think. I was thinking of doing white cabinets with black hardware similar to our island right here. But now my husband and my mom have got me thinking about doing darker gray cabinets because we have gray walls, and then our countertops are going to be white. You'll see in a couple of days. But what would you guys think would look best in here? I'm still leaning towards the white cabinets. My husband is leaning towards gray cabinets. So let me know, what do you think would look best in this kitchen? I really want your opinion because I'm having the hardest time trying to decide.
Close my diamonds now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground, and then I take the first step.
Okay, y'all, we are moving on to the pantry situation. These 2 skinny, deep cabinets is what we were working with before my husband and my father-in-law built my dream pantry, which I'm so excited about. I'm not trying to be like bragging about it or whatever, but I'm just really proud of them, and I'm super excited that they were able to make my vision come to life and that we actually had the space to be able to do something like this. It's such a nice change. I've never had a walk-in pantry in my life, so this is like such a treat for me and such a gift for me, and I'm just so thankful. I'm just gonna take everything out of our little pantry cabinets, put it on the island, kind of go through it and organize it a little bit, and then start putting stuff in the new pantry, get the stuff off of the top of the refrigerator and put it in these cabinets, the stuff that I use every single day in the kitchen, such as our coffee and the dog treats. And then we're gonna work on organizing and setting up the new pantry.
First step, a million more, and I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true, yeah. Do whatever I wanna do, and then I let it shine on you, yeah. I wanna let it shine on you.
There wasn't a whole lot of method to the madness when I was trying to figure out where I wanted stuff in the pantry, because like I said, I had never had a walk-in pantry before, and I have a ton of space to utilize now. So my main point was to try to get everything that was kind of similar on the same shelf, such as rice being on the same shelf, pastas being on the same shelf, baking stuff being on one shelf, cereals on another shelf, and kids snacks on another. And I was utilizing what I did have on hand, such as my bins from IKEA from a pantry organization video that I did a while ago in our old house. And I just really wanted to shop my home. I didn't want to go out and buy a ton of stuff just to organize my pantry. I will do that at a later time and do a full-on dedicated organization video for that. But when I filmed this, it was right around Christmas time, and I just didn't feel like blowing a ton of money just on pantry organization stuff was the right way to go, especially with Christmas and everything. And we had just spent money on building our pantry. Anyways, so there will be another video dedicated to organizing the pantry a little bit better, but for now we're setting it up and trying to organize it with what we have.
I think I saw your hand slipping down. That look, that face smiling back at you is why you always wanna be around her, be around her. Now I've come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got.
All of the acrylic food storage containers I'm using are from IKEA. They're really decently priced if you are in the market for some. They just only have 2 sizes, and that's why I didn't buy more of them. When I bought them to use in the pantry, they have really small ones and then really tall ones, and they're both really slender. But pretty much everything that I'm using in the pantry is either from IKEA or from the Dollar Tree. So everything is super budget friendly. I will link stuff down below if I can find a link for it. And then these little baskets are from the Dollar Tree, so I don't think there's a link for those. But I like to keep the kids' snacks within reach, or at least within reach of Tegan's reach, my almost 5-year-old son, so that he can help himself to a snack if he is hungry. And then I'm just gonna organize this stuff and try to make it look pretty so that we can easily find everything.
Come to terms over you, and although it hurts, there's nothing I wouldn't do. But I am outplayed, but I don't mind, no, that I got outplayed, 'cause I'ma need an upgrade.
So now that this pantry situation has been handled, I am going to clean out these shelves. I am going to be using Kirkland disinfecting wipes to wipe these shelves down because we are no longer storing any food in here that is in a bag or anything that the disinfecting wipes could saturate. So I'm gonna wipe these down because it's been a hot minute. I hadn't wiped them down since we moved in back in June. And then I'm just gonna vacuum everything up off the floor because I spilled my protein powder, as you saw before, and get everything all nice and clean because it is now organized, or at least as organized as it's gonna get until I get some storage bins, and just get everything all cleaned up. So like I had said at the beginning of the video, this was 2 days worth of cleaning because I didn't get around to finishing what I needed to finish that night after I had finished up the pantry. So I'm just gonna straighten up the living room and straighten up the couch, vacuum downstairs, clean up the kitchen again because it always needs to be cleaned because mom life. I'm always cleaning up the kitchen because we're always cooking, there's always snacks, and everything just needs to be cleaned over and over again. I'm also going to clean up our powder room, our downstairs half bathroom, and I'm just going to be using Kirkland disinfecting wipes to wipe down the toilet, and then I'm also going to use Kirkland disinfecting wipes to wipe down the sink area as well. Obviously clean ones, not the same ones I was using on the toilet. And then I'm using Clorox bleach clinging gel in the toilet bowl. It works so well and it gets it so clean. Whenever I clean the toilet, I like to wipe the floors down with disinfectant wipes too, or whatever spray cleaner I'm using, because I have a little boy and sometimes little boys and potties don't exactly mix very well. My sweet friend on here, Carla from Carla's Sweet Life, folds her toilet paper when she does her cleaning, and I just thought that was the cutest little touch to add to a clean bathroom. So I totally stole her idea, and I just love it so much. So this is the after of the pantry organization and everything that I had done. I am so excited about how it turned out. There's obviously stuff that needs to be organized a little bit better, but I was working with what I had in my house, and I just love this pantry so much. It's so nice being able to see everything that we have in the pantry. Stuff is not expiring because we can actually see what we have, and I am way better at grocery shopping because I know what I have and what I don't have now, and I'm not buying multiples of the same thing that I already had in the pantry. It turned out so great, and I'm just so pleased with it. I am so excited to have this pantry, you guys. I cannot say it enough. I hope that this video got you super motivated to get your cleaning done. Thank you guys so much for being here and being part of my YouTube family. If you have not already subscribed, stick around, do so. I would love to have you join the family. Thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.